Welcome to Axosoft. In these videos, we will cover installing the full Axosoft Suite, as well as what the different components do, and any system requirements. In order to run Axosoft locally, you will need to install on a Windows Server 2008 or later. You would need to install on IIS 7 or later, and also include the list of IIS roles outlined in our installation documentation. Use SQL Server 2008 or later, and SQL Server Express is fine for small teams, but if you run into limitations, then we recommend upgrading to SQL Server Standard or Enterprise Edition, and the .NET Framework 4.5. From our downloads page at axosoft.com/downloads, you will download the full Axosoft Suite, which includes the following. It includes the Axosoft Setup, which is the full Axosoft website, the Customer Portal, which is another website you can set up for external users so that they may add or edit items, the Email Service Setup, which manages both emails being sent or received from the database, and the Axosoft Reports Manager Setup, which allows you to customize or create any new reports in your Axosoft database. If you're not sure which one to set up first, we always recommend starting with the Axosoft Setup. To connect using the API, there is no additional setup. You would just connect directly to the Axosoft web application. Continue on to the next videos for installation walkthroughs of the major components.